Hey everyone, welcome back to Toe the Moon with AI. Today, we're exploring one of OpenAI's latest innovations, OpenAI o1. This isn't just any AI model, it's designed to take reasoning and contextual understanding to the next level. You may have heard of GPT-4o, but o1 is something different, and I'm here to show you why it matters and how you can start using it right now. So buckle up. We'll dive deep into its features, compare it with GPT-4o, and explore how o1 can revolutionize how you work with AI. Stay with me until the end for some pro tips to maximize its potential. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. What exactly is OpenAI o1? OpenAI o1 is part of a new wave of AI models designed specifically for advanced reasoning, decision-making, and contextual understanding. It's built to tackle complex tasks that require logical reasoning and step-by-step problem-solving. o1 isn't just about understanding language like previous models, it's about learning to reason with large language models. This makes it a perfect fit for scenarios where deeper analysis or more thoughtful conclusions are needed. Let's break down what makes OpenAI o1 so special. Here are some of its key features that set it apart from previous models like GPT-4o1. Advanced Reasoning o1 excels in logical reasoning tasks, meaning it can handle complex problem-solving much better than GPT-4o. Whether you're working on technical projects, scientific research, or even legal analysis, o1 has the capability to reason through each step logically. 2. Multi-step tasks. Another standout feature is its ability to manage multi-step tasks. o1 can break down complicated instructions, follow them through, and keep track of the process, making it far superior for detailed workflows and project management. 3. Contextual memory. Like GPT-4o1 has strong contextual awareness, but it goes deeper by keeping track of longer, more complex conversations and reasoning over time. This makes o1 ideal for tasks that require building on past interactions. 4. Handling ambiguity. One of the more unique features of o1 is its ability to handle ambiguity, meaning when the input is unclear, o1 can make educated guesses or ask for clarification, making the interaction feel more human-like. So, how does o1 compare to GPT-4o? Let's do a quick side-by-side. 1. Speed versus depth. GPT-4o is built for fast and efficient processing across a broad range of tasks. However, o1 trades a bit of speed for deeper, more precise reasoning. If you need fast responses across general tasks, GPT-4o is a great choice. But if you need an AI to think through a problem, o1 is what you want. 2. Complexity handling. While GPT-4o handles a lot of simple and mid-complexity tasks, well, o1 shines in high-complexity scenarios where multi-step problem-solving or deep understanding is required. 3. Conversational memory. Both models can track conversations, but o1 has improved long-term memory for more complex dialogues. If your work involves multiple steps over time or projects that evolve, o1 is the model you'll want in your toolkit. Think of it this way: GPT-4o is great for rapid, real-time assistance, while o1 is designed for long-form reasoning and analytical tasks. So where can you get the most out of OpenAI o1? Let's talk about some real-world applications where this model really shines. 1. Coding and software development. o1's ability to follow step-by-step processes makes it a game-changer for coding. If you're working on complex projects or multi-layered software, o1 can help you manage logic flows and troubleshoot complex problems more effectively than GPT-4o. 2. Data analysis and scientific research. o1 is perfect for data analysis and research tasks where reasoning and long-term context are critical. Imagine running experiments or analyzing huge data sets. o1 can help break it down logically. 3. Legal analysis and consulting. Complex legal documents and contracts require deep understanding and reasoning, and o1 excels at sifting through them to identify important clauses, make recommendations, and manage ambiguity. 4. Strategic decision-making. Whether it's business or high-level project management, o1 can offer more thoughtful insights. Instead of just providing quick answers, it can guide you through strategic decision-making, considering all the variables. Okay, so now you're ready to start using o1, but here are some pro tips to help you get the most out of it. 1. Break down tasks. Remember, O1 excels at multi-step tasks. Make sure to break down your larger problems into smaller steps to let O1 assist more effectively. 2. Test its reasoning capabilities. Challenge O1 with complex logic problems or research tasks. You'll be surprised at how well it can reason through them, and you'll learn more about its depth in the process. 3. Use it for long-term projects. O1's memory shines with long-term projects. If you're working on a project over several days or weeks, let O1 keep track of where you left off. It will be able to help you pick up exactly where you stopped. Alright folks, that's OpenAI O1 in a nutshell. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or strategic decision maker, O1 offers features that can take your work to the next level. So what do you think? Ready to dive into the world of advanced AI reasoning? Let me know in the comments what use case you're most excited about. And as always, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more AI insights. We've got a ton of exciting content coming your way.